Let's see PrepAlly in action.
Welcome, Ibrohim. I'm Tan, and I'm currently a senior software engineer at Snapchat. Today, we'll be working on the biggest difference problem, where calculate the difference between the maximum and minimum integers in a non-empty array. Please take a minute to read the problem and respond when you're ready to work on it.
Yep, of course. What do you think? Should I use two-pointer approach, or what do you think? Still thinking?
Great question, Ibrahim. In this particular problem, we need to find the maximum and minimum values within the array to calculate their difference. While a two-pointer approach could work for some scenarios, it's not the most efficient or straightforward method for this particular task. Here's a more suitable approach. 1. Understand the array. Since you need maximum and minimum values, focus on how to efficiently derive these two values from the array. 2. Select an appropriate strategy. Use built-in functions to find the minimum and maximum, which can be done easily because these operations are directly supported by Python. Alternatively, if you want to practice working through the array manually, loop through the array to identify the minimum and maximum values. 3. Error. Handling. Make sure to handle special cases, although in this problem, input is guaranteed to be of length 1 or more, so it's less of a concern. Given this explanation, what approach do you think you'd like to pursue? If you're considering using Python's built-in functions, think about which ones could be the best fit for finding minimum and maximum values directly. Let me know what you decide, or if you need further assistance.
Yeah, okay, let me try to solve this. Do you know how to solve this? Should I ask
It's
for
cool.
It's cool.
It's cool. You
No.
really don't know how to solve it?
No, I know. Okay, just to print. Otherwise, it will not be visible.
Let's see.
Yeah, this one.
Wow.
Yeah, we fixed the bug. Okay.
Wait, this will be recorded, right? So how do you want
No,
to do it?
let me ask. Oh my gosh. Okay. I just saw what do you think about the solution? Oh my gosh.
Your approach to solving the problem is correct and quite efficient. You're using the built-in max and min functions to find the largest and smallest values in the list, and then subtracting them to find the difference. This is a straightforward and optimal way to approach the problem, since these functions are both easy to understand and run in O(n) time complexity, where n is the number of elements in the list. Here are a few points to ensure robustness and understanding. 1. Edge cases. Since the problem guarantees an array of at least length 1, you don't need to worry about cases like an empty list. However, if you were to consider extending the function to handle any input, checking for an empty list might be necessary. 2. Readability. Your code is clean and concise. Using descriptive variable names is always a plus for readability, but since this is a simple calculation, the use of VE is understandable. 3. Output. You are using print V to display the result. If you want to return the value for further use in a program, rather than just print it, you might consider returning VE instead. Overall, you've implemented a solid solution. If you have any other challenges or questions, feel free to share.
Good job.
Oh, thank you very much. It was really interesting. It takes
You're
time.
welcome, Ibrohim. I'm glad you found the process interesting. It's always rewarding to see a clear and effective solution come together. As you continue practicing, try exploring different approaches and optimizations to deepen your understanding. If you'd like to challenge yourself further, consider how you might implement the solution without using built-in functions, or how to handle potential complexities or variations in similar problems. This can be a great way to solidify your grasp on these concepts and improve your problem-solving skills. And of course, if you have any more questions or other coding topics you'd like to explore, feel free to ask.
I have a really good question, Like,
Ah.
I'm just curious, like,